Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, keeping the direction the same, I'm going to talk about what kind of startups that you can start, which would make about 100K a year from the first year itself. Now, if you to kind of understand this particular aspect of making money in year one, you got to look out the what are the businesses that really attract a lot of attention. A lot of people would actually go and take up their products and services or buy their products and services. You also have to look at the situation around. We are in a digital world. People buy products online. People consume products online. People do a lot of learning from online platforms. They derive their own enjoyment and get entertainment from the online medium, and that's the reason why YouTube, that we are all in at this moment, is such a successful platform. So we have to keep these points in mind to identify those businesses which will make immediate money if you are starting off. And of course, you have to keep in mind that a lot of the businesses you would do from home itself. So let's dive in and then look at those five businesses that I have curated. And I think these businesses would make about 100K a year in year one itself. So before we do that, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video. And please share my videos with people who would be benefited from my videos. So let's talk about it. The first business I would imagine will be very useful for artists and collectors. So what is happening is today you can't really go to art exhibition, but you can definitely look at showcasing your talent, your art to people virtually. And there are collectors who are organizing these kinds of events. They are there. You can sell your art, and you can make a good amount of money if you are really a good artist. Now, one of the questions that comes in is how do we know that my art can't be used by somebody else? So obviously, with crypto being so common today, you would know that there are companies who are trying to build non-fungible tokens so that you can assign the every art to the rightful creator and sell, and that makes it legible. Yes, that makes it credible. I will, on the card above, I will link a video on cryptocurrency and how do you make more money out of it as well. Of course, today the market is down, but it's a cyclical market. So art is one of the options that you could look at if you are good in art, you're an artist, and you could certainly make a good amount of money through art. The second point that you could look at is being a home chemist. And now, what the problem that most people face today is that, of course, they do go to the chemist to buy medicines, but a lot of people prefer being chemists medicines being home delivered, and that's the reason because of which drop shipping is really becoming a fast moving business. And that's why companies like Uber are really making a lot of money out of sending food home, sending some stuff home. If you are able to build, if you are good, if you're a pharmacist and you can possibly send the right medicines prescribed by the doctor back to the patient's house. Or if you are into traditional medicine, so there's Chinese traditional medicines or Ayurvedic medicines, homeopathic medicines, and you can create them. You could definitely send them to the buyer or the patient. So that's a great business to be in, and we all need medicines to survive. We fall sick, there are ailments in the family, and we have to get medicines from somewhere. So I think this is a great business to be in, which could make 100K easily in year one itself, if you are a certified pharmacist or a certified person who can manage this particular business. The third business is, of course, you know, kids are unable to go to kindergarten schools. So if you are able to build an e-learning module for them, virtual module, which you can sell to their parents, I think that's a great opportunity. I've spoken a number of times about homeschooling and online education. I think K2 learning is a big business. So if you are good in some kind of teaching, in some kind of, let's say in English, you could teach English, you could teach, let's say, basic maths at K2 level if there is any, or whatever, even arts, or, you know, showcasing some talent. If you can teach the kids at a young age in K2 levels, then I think that's a big opportunity which you can do from your home. And you could make 100K in the first year itself. Fourth opportunity is essentially, again, got to do with delivery services. Now, this is food delivery. So I know of many people, especially you know, the aunties and people who've been cooking for years. They have a lot of time, who could cook in their own kitchen and could deliver the food to people who love her food, the lady's food, the auntie's food. So many people have started doing this. I mean, I'm not just talking about proper meals. It could be even baking cakes, making cookies, or sending some other specialty of your cuisine, which to people who would love to consume or have had your own the food that you've made, and they are willing to purchase your food if you could deliver it. So that's also a great business that you can get in, and I can assure you it would make enough money, about 100K on the top line, so that it would eventually become a very, very successful business for you. The last one is, again, going back to my previous video on consulting. I will put a link. I'll put a link on the card to my previous video on consulting, what kind of consulting businesses you could get into. But consulting is a great opportunity, because you could get into consulting in the digital world. Digital world is the world today we are going to live in, and that's going to remain. You could do consulting in regulatory compliance. You could do consulting in education. You could do so many things in consulting. So consulting, I think, is the other option that would make you a lot of money. And you would know that in the market, typically consultants make pretty fair money. Their salaries are pretty high. Be it you're working with Bain in consulting, or KPMG, McKinsey, whoever. They all, their partners, their associates, they make a lot of money. So if you have that capability, the skill sets, and the experience, you may want to get into consulting, because that's a very lucrative business to start off, and you start off with pretty much no investment. So so talking about no investment, I also did a video on the businesses that you could start off with pretty much zero investment. I would put a link on the card above. Please take a look at it. And well, that's it, guys. I hope these 5 options are useful to you, where you can make 100K on year one itself, and your business is a successful business. Just keep in mind that you must have the requisite knowledge and experience to start a business of this kind, of this level. Otherwise, no one will really buy, or even if someone buys, he or she will drop off. So that's it, guys. Hope you've learned something. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology and marketing leader with over 20 years of experience. I will put my LinkedIn URL in the description so that you could connect with me. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant, I work with many companies and startups on their business, marketing, and technology solutions. So please drop me a line on LinkedIn. I'll respond to you. And please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash the notification bell so that you're informed every time I upload a video. And please share my videos with people who would get benefited from my videos. So until next time, please take care. Have a great day ahead, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.